The video autofocus in Sony's Alpha and FX cameras is an incredibly powerful tool that in recent years has really come into its own. It's gone from something I would never use to something I rely upon for a lot of my filming. It's taken me a long time to truly master, but luckily for you, it won't take anywhere near as long, because I've made a free 2-part masterclass for Sony's Alpha Academy. You need to understand how everything from your camera, lens, settings, light, subjects, and many other factors affect each other. You need to learn how to be fully in control of it. I'm Philip Bloom, a filmmaker and director of photography from London, and I'm going to teach you how to master it.